Hey there, Ken. It's Frank from Osprey Village recording this live to you on Friday morning. It's a sunny one, 8:48 a.m. I promised to send this video out to you yesterday. Hey, it's nice to be talking to a fellow Pitt Meadows service provider. So let's spend the next couple of minutes together. We'll talk about how to strategize and make our site more visible to people in our area. I know you do work even out to New West, but we can talk about that. So uh, we'll make this fun and let's dive right in. So the first thing that to understand is that the search engine's mandate is to provide a site that they think has the answer to what people are searching for. If you can satisfy that condition, your site will show up higher. And when people are flicking out their phone, looking for kitchen and kitchen remodeling, cabinet repair, whatever, they'll find you, right? So let's do an exercise together. Let's do a control find right on your web page, and then we'll do kitchen, not electrician, kitchen remodeling, right? So there's no hits there. Um, Cabinet repair, or let's do kitchen cabinet. So no hits either. Okay, so these are the terms that people are actually searching for when they're looking for your service, right? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but we're not getting the hits. I mean, you have a beautiful website. This is a strong website. We just need to make some tweaks to include these keywords so people, well, first of all, Google will associate your page with the page that contains answer and rank you higher, then the people can find you. Okay, so that's what I would suggest. I would even beef it up to 1,500 words on the homepage so nobody can beat you and you're really strong and authoritative. All right. And this is what we call the H1 tag. So we want this very first line to showcase the keyword we're trying to rank for, or in other words, the keyword that we want people to associate us with. Okay, so that should probably be custom cabinets or kitchen cabinet installer or something like that. Okay, so that's number one, content. We'll beef it up, include the keywords, and you should see a significant increase. All right. Now the second thing is backlinks. If you follow my cursor to the top left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see that there's an indicator that your domain has 4 backlinks. And the backlinks are essentially a vote to your website. If you're a presidential candidate, you're going to get votes from people as a sign of trust. For Google, the signs of trust come in the forms of backlinks. The more backlinks that you have, the more trustworthy you have. Basically, people are talking about you, they're noticing you, that's why they will have backlinks to you. And the more of this you have, the better chance you have in ranking locally. Okay, so let's do an exercise here. Let's do, all right, let's just narrow it down to us. Pitt Meadows kitchen cabinet. How about that? Always a typo in here. I know there's somebody else here by the airport way. Okay, so URL we got URL we got Facebook, Yellow Pages. So, Ken, whenever I see this, this is good sign. It means it's not competitive when Facebook is dominating on the first spot. Okay, but if you look at URL cabinets, I know I think this is a franchise or a big company. They have 4.43 backlinks. So that would be massive, right? And then I think this is a bit more genuine. JNR cabinets and millwork, they have 39 backlinks, right? You have 4. Okay, so this is all data that's kind of illustrate the point I'm trying to make across. So the more backlinks you have, the better chance you have in ranking. Okay, just gonna come down here a little bit more and see if we can see anything else. When you see sponsor, these are ads. Okay, but there's no point running ads if it's showing up here. Nobody scroll down here. If it's showing up here, then it makes sense. Okay, anyways, that's backlinks. Let's talk about the third component, citations. So citation will help you get up here, right? And this is where you want to be, right? People use their phone, they search, they don't have the patience to scroll all the way down. The size of the phone would hold about probably just seven businesses, and people are so lazy right now. They would just quickly scroll down, click the one with the most reviews, be done with it. So this guy you can totally beat. No reviews there, no reviews there, right? I totally want to help you get here. This is not going to be a hard job. Okay, so but we'll have to look at the search volume here to see if it's worthwhile to do that. So we're hitting the punches where they count. All right, so to get there, basically you want to register to Yellow Pages, 411, Yelp. You don't have to pay anything to them. We just need that business hyperlink and those business address, phone number, and name. Register with them. That's all we need. And Google will start picking those up. And once they see that, okay, yeah, you're kind of ubiquitous everywhere. All these business directories have you. You're credible. I'll feature you, right? And the more reviews you get, which you're doing already, that's awesome. You're going to have a high likelihood to be ranked up here. Okay, so you can even start with Pitt Meadows, making sure that you're here, you're dominating in your local city, and then once you rank, you can find a friend's address, register one in Maple Ridge, because we have a way not to show the address. These people choose to show it, but you don't have to. And then you rank the Maple Ridge page, right? So these are all lines in the water on top of your own website. So that's how you can be more visible. All right, so let's dial it back. We talked about three things. We talked about your content. Uh, so beefing out the content containing the keywords that people are searching for. Second one, we talked about backlinks, building more credible backlinks. You can come from another home renovation blog or whatever, right? Things like that. And then the third one is citations, okay? Getting you up here, registering your business to the business directories. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. My number is 778-316-2239. I'd be happy to hear your thoughts on this approach. And all the best to you. Ken, have a great day.